Again, you're incorrect. It's not like the old times. I need somebody to come and pick me up, and I actually need some physical help. I don't know how many times I can repeat this, but please don't program humanity's mind until I get help. Because all you're going to do is you're going to cause more problems, and you're going to cause discord again. Please stop. Please don't do this again. Don't do this anymore. You're causing more pain and more anguish if you don't come and get me now, so I can get my back straightened up and my massage taken care of. Muscle atrophy needs other people to help heal.